Wow, man, I've never seen anything like that. The sky is full of stuff. I mean, I cannot even begin to show how much stuff is there. This is incredible. Just check this out, man. Just look at this deal. Wow, man, this is just insane. I mean, there are structures. Look at that hand right there. Look at that hand right there. You can see the but I mean, it's so much stuff that I cannot even begin to. Wow, man, that is just insane. Look at the fingernails and everything. It's always that symbol, it's always present. And then you see this. I mean, it's everywhere. Just look at that hand. But there's structures and geometry everywhere. Look at that. And then there are like objects, or I don't know, I can't even think what the word is for all this stuff. It's just insane, man. Somebody that tell me that there is nothing in the cloud, that there is just puffy deal. Nah. To begin with, look at this object right there. And it's full of brown and blues and pinkish. I mean, you name it. Can't believe that photographer didn't see any of it. I mean, you see like malevolent looking faces, look at that. But they're not. It's just we associate things that we know. But it's none of it. Because this is a lot of geometry. I mean, you talking, look at that thing right there. What the heck is that? And it look like a pair of eyes, but it's not. I mean, it look like a lot of things that are not really there. That are not what we are thinking. It's like another world, and we just can't even think or see it. Naturally, we can. It's only when you take the picture. you start noticing all these things that are like, what? What? No way. Yeah, they are. It's in the picture. I mean, they're blocking our mind. That's all I can see. I mean, that's all I can think of. They are blocking our mind with some kind of technology, electromagnetic waves. And when you look at all these spheres pulsating, when you see from the space station looking down and you see all these geometrical rectilinear clouds with all kick-ass geometry, and it looked like a freaking world, like another world on top of our heads. So evidently, whoever these are controlling us with that kind of technology. Because I just don't see how, I mean, this photographer did not see anything. He just took a picture and say, oh, the cold weather is persisting in Caracas, Venezuela. What he didn't say is that people are starving down there. There is a major problem with that government. This is a communist, it's a Cuban established so-called revolution. For 18 years they've been ransacking Venezuela from left to right, up and down. Now the people are just desperate, looking for food and medicine, and I mean, people are dying, actually. And it's like you're looking at the reflection of that horrible looking sky is right where that is happening. And I have seen images from Syria, from Afghanistan, from Iraq, and you can see the same type of things where this bad stuff is happening. It's like they just put that enormous cloud there and all this negative shit is just emanating up and down. I mean, this is just insane, man. Look at this deal. It does something to the camera, which I understand when I enlarge the image, it goes blurred. I mean, no blurred, I mean, it goes fading. Look, it's fading, see? I never seen anything like that on another picture. In fact, this picture looks like it's a living recording, and it's not. That thing was pulsating when I recorded it. It looked pulsating, and that's impossible. That's a picture. That's not a video. That was just a picture. I mean, I can show the original, and it look, that light, whatever that is pulsating. It looks like it's pulsating. That's just impossible in a picture, but it's happening there in this image. So it's vibrating somehow, whatever that vibrational resonant frequency is still resonating in the picture. In a picture, an image, I mean a frozen image, and it looks like it's a living image. I've never seen anything like that, never. I mean, I've been doing this research for 17 years. I've never seen a picture that can do that. Look at the crazy shit that is everywhere. You tell me those are clouds, really? All those tubes and no. I mean, this is a heck of a geometry there. It looks like an eye with a reptilian pupil. Look at that. Boom. And then you see the other eye right here. Well, that might be eye for another whatever. And then you see another one here, but it's none of that. I can guarantee you that it's none of that, because when you get closer, then you see that it has tubes and things. It's just from far away, it appeared to look like that, but it's not. And like I say, that light right there was, in the original image, was pulsating. Just no, I mean, there is no possible that could be. I mean, that's a heck of a freaking electromagnetic resonance that even in a picture is still looking like it's alive, like it's vibrating and, I mean, shoot. And then you see at the bottom here where the heel is, see when see, look at on top of the heel, look at all those lights and tubes, and I mean, it looks like the sky is a portal there, some kind of whatever. I mean, it's, look, there's a light here, there's another one here, here, it's everywhere, and look at these tubes. I mean, wow, man, this is just insane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Yeah, that's what that is. Look at that. Then the left side becomes black. See, when I move the picture farther away, it becomes too bright. Something weird about this image. Look at that right there. The heck is that? I've seen images, I have recorded myself images, but this image is really special. Because it's just, look at that, boy. Look at that, all the colors and all the structures. Unfortunately, with this program, you cannot enlarge too much or it will be pixelate. Look at that right there. And if I use the camera, then it will do some, with the bright part, it becomes like shiny, like metallic. Can't do that either. So it's a catch. You can only observe a certain distance to see the right image. Look at that. That thing looks like some kind of reptile with a mouth. Look at that, with the jaws and teeth. Look at that, some kind of, I mean, something that you will see, an infernal creature. But it's none of that. Then look, right here is another deal. It looks like the mouth of a big freaking reptile. It's the same thing, but it's none of that. Because when you look at closer, then you see that none of that is true. It's all geometry. It's a heck